This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network. And joining me right now is Andrew Grove. He is the Managing Director and CEO at CHZ Resources. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is CHZ on the ASX, and the company will be participating at the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek hybrid event this year. That is happening September 8th through the 11th. Andrew, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Thank you, Robert. Yes, and I'm looking forward to the conference, even though it'll be virtual and I'll be up at 3 o'clock in the morning. That's okay.
the things we do, right? So the last time we did an interview with a representative from CHZ Resources, we did that last year. That was published on August 30th, 2020. So we'd love to get an update. You know, what are some highlights from the company, would you say, in the last 12 months or so?
Okay, well, it's been a pretty exciting 12 months for CHZ. In the last update, they would have announced the discovery of the high-grade shallow oxide at Area D. Since then, we've done about 30,000 metres, drilling out Area D and Area A, which are about 300 metres apart. We've finished that drilling, we're waiting on the final assays, and Area D is proving up to be a really consistent high-grade near-surface oxide. And we're looking forward to delivering our first maiden resource estimate sort of Q4 this year.
Very good. So as I said, we did an interview last year with another representative from the company who's no longer with the company. You're the new managing director and CEO. So we'd love to get your background. You know, what's your background prior to joining and getting into all this?
Okay. Look, I'm a geologist by background. Spent 14 years as a geologist, then moved into banking. So I was another 14 years at Macquarie Bank, doing a bit of risk management and predominantly mining finance around the world and a lot in Africa. And decided that, you know, I'd like to get back in the corporate world. And I spent the last 2 years at Perseus Mining, heading up their business development and investor relations functions. And this opportunity came along through the new chairman, the relatively new chairman at CHZ, Mark Connolly, who's been around Africa and done a lot of deals and built a lot of projects in Africa, and I've known for a very long time. So he asked if I'd like to join the company and take it forward, which I'm very happy to do.
Very good. So then, from what you can tell us, what would you say then are the company's value catalysts for the rest of 2021 going into 2022?
Yeah, look, I think that the key value catalyst will be the resource estimate. I think, you know, it should underline the value of the company pretty significantly and should demonstrate the metrics of what we found so far. And the grade should be pretty good and the geometry's excellent. So, you know, particularly Area D, there's a high grade area, sort of 20 to 40 metres thick at 3 to 5 grams within 10 metres of surface. So, in terms of you know, potential economics, that's going to strongly drive any development. We'll do some work on demonstrating the economic value of this project through a scoping study, probably early into Q1 next year. We're also going to commence in about October, when the rain season's finished, some exploration on the broader Diamba Sud tenement. There's at least 10 high priority targets we're going to drill out. We've done limited drilling outside of Area A and Area D, but geochemically, structurally, it looks very, very exciting. And the little bit of drilling we've done has had all great intercepts. So I think we'll have, you know, there's a good chance of good success of finding additional mineralisation on the tenement.
Very good. And Andrew, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on CHZ?
Look, they can find more information on our website, www.chzresources.com.au, or sign up to our news feeds. We really regularly publish all the information we get, and we try to keep our shareholders and interested parties fully informed of our activities.
Very good. Andrew, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I look forward to our next update.
Thanks, Robert. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Again, my name is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network, and we're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek, a hybrid event this year, happening September 8th through the 11th. Andrew will be participating on behalf of CHZ Resources. Thank you all for watching.